Most people have never heard of Earth's magnetic field, and yet, without it, life on this planet would not exist. It is invisible. You cannot feel it. But right now, it is the only thing standing between Earth and a constant storm of deadly radiation. So what would happen if Earth's magnetic field suddenly disappeared? Not weakened, not shifted, completely gone. The moment it vanished, the damage would begin. Earth is constantly being hit by charged particles from the sun. Solar wind travels at over 1 million kilometers per hour. The magnetic field deflects most of it, guiding it harmlessly around the planet. Without that shield, those particles slam directly into the atmosphere. Satellites are the first to suffer. GPS fails. Communication satellites shut down. Weather tracking disappears. Entire navigation systems go dark. Within hours, airlines lose reliable positioning. Military systems lose coordination. Global communication becomes unstable. Then the atmosphere begins to change. Solar radiation starts stripping away the upper layers of Earth's atmosphere. This is not science fiction. It already happened to Mars. Mars once had oceans, once had rivers, once had a thicker atmosphere. When its magnetic field collapsed, the sun slowly peeled its atmosphere away, molecule by molecule, until the planet became the frozen desert we see today. Earth would begin the same process. It would not happen overnight, but it would begin immediately. Radiation level at the surface would rise. The ozone layer would weaken. Ultraviolet radiation increases. Skin cancer rates climb. Eyes are damaged. Plant life begins to struggle under the intense exposure. Power grids start to fail. Solar storms that are normally harmless now induce massive electrical currents in power lines. Transformers overheat. Entire regions lose electricity. This has already happened on a small scale in the past. Without a magnetic field, it becomes constant. Then there is the human body. We are not built to handle sustained cosmic radiation. DNA damage increases. Cancer rates rise. Reproductive systems are affected. Animals that rely on the magnetic field to navigate begin to fail. Birds lose direction. Sea turtles cannot find breeding grounds. Whales beach themselves more frequently. Entire migration patterns collapse. Now imagine decades passing. The atmosphere grows thinner. Air pressure drops. Temperatures become unstable. Without atmospheric protection, Earth slowly loses its ability to retain heat. Oceans evaporate faster than they can be replenished. Weather systems break down. Life retreats toward the ground, underground, underwater. Human civilization does not end in a dramatic explosion. It erodes. Technology fails faster than biology. Cities become uninhabitable. Society contracts toward regions that can still sustain life. And here's the part most people do not expect. Earth's magnetic field has weakened before. Right now, it is weakening again. Scientists know this because magnetic poles wander. They flip. They collapse and reform over geological time. The last full reversal happened about 780,000 years ago. Humanity has never experienced one with modern technology. We are the first civilization that depends entirely on systems the magnetic field quietly protects. So here's the real question. If Earth's magnetic field disappeared tomorrow, would technology collapse faster than life itself? Or would humanity adapt before the planet slowly turned hostile? Think about it, and tell me what you believe would happen first. You are watching Myndora, where curiosity meets the unknown. If you value calm explanations of dangerous ideas, subscribe. And keep asking what if.